In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add holidays to Smartsheet. Adding holidays is really important if you're using Smartsheet to manage project timelines. When holidays are set up correctly, your Gantt chart and task durations will automatically skip those non-working days, which keeps your schedules accurate and avoids confusion later. Start by opening the Smartsheet project where you want to add holidays. Make sure you're looking at a sheet that uses a Gantt chart, because that's where we'll find the settings we need. At the top right, just above the Gantt chart area, look for the Project Settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click that gear to open the Project Settings panel. In the panel that appears, you'll see several options related to your project. Look for the section labeled Working Days. This controls which days Smartsheet treats as workdays and which are blocked out. Next to Working Days, click the Edit button. This will open a new window where you can define your schedule in more detail. Inside this Working Days window, you'll see a section called Non-Working Days, sometimes labeled as Holidays. This is where you tell Smartsheet which specific dates should be treated as non-working. You have two ways to add those dates. You can type the dates directly into the box, making sure they match the date format used in your account, or you can click the small calendar icon to pick dates from a calendar view. Using the calendar can help avoid typos and makes it easier to visualize what you're selecting. Add all the holiday dates that you want Smartsheet to exclude from the schedule. These might be company-wide holidays, regional holidays, or any days when no work will be done. Take a moment to double-check the dates before moving on, especially if you're planning out a long project, because these settings can affect task end dates and dependencies. Once you've added your holidays, click OK to confirm your changes in the Working Days window. Then you'll be taken back to the main Project Settings panel. Click OK again to close that panel and apply everything to your project. Finally, don't forget to save the sheet. Look for the Save option at the top and click it to make sure your new holiday settings are stored. After saving, your Gantt chart and task schedules will automatically respect those holidays as non-working days, keeping your project plan accurate and realistic.